Dum dum da dum. It's wedding dress try on mystery haul. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's go. Woo! Hello beautiful friends, my name is Katie and in today's video we are doing something super exciting. It's something I've never personally done, and as someone who thrifts all the time, this seems like something I would have come across before, but this is actually a first for me, and the fact that we are going to be unboxing a $1 mystery wedding dress. So let's get started. A little bit of background about how I ended up getting this dress is that my local thrift store does $1 days, and I'm actually known,
sorry mom,
I'm known for always snagging up wedding dresses because I love them, and I have a slight little obsession with wedding dresses and things that sparkle. So when this dress became $1, they were actually laughing because they were like, of course, this dress, we all knew it was going to go to you. I'm not really sure why they made me wait to buy it when they all knew that I was going to be the one who got it anyway. I do know a little bit of information about this dress and the fact that it has been preserved the way you would normally preserve a wedding dress. So it has never come out of the box since the day it was worn, but I am so excited. Also guys, it came with this ridiculously fabulous hat, which I feel like this is probably like a 1980s, 1970s hat. I mean, it's got some tulle. It's just fabulous. It's gonna be a good time. Let's unbox her. So here we go, guys. Oh wait, are you taped together? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty and creepy all at the same time. They stuff the arms. This looks a little bit like my Halloween fears, where the bride has come back to life and it's just like, It's definitely like in such good condition. Also has a very like dry cleany smell, which would make sense because we know it's preserved, but it does not smell good. So that's something to consider if you are buying something thrifted like this.
Ooh, the smell. Ooh.
So I will say if you were gonna wear this, you would definitely have to make sure either you clean it, you get it dry cleaned or what, because it smells awful and it's very strong. So one of the things we were curious about in the preserving process is how well this dress would hold up. I think this dress is about 30 or 40 years old. It could be older than that. This thing is looking great. It looks really good. And you can see like the beadwork is looking great. It's not yellow. I think this is so cute and pretty. I love the back, how they have like an illusion back line. And I mean, obviously puff sleeves are super cool. I'm gonna try and put this on. I don't actually know if it's gonna fit me. When I pulled it out, I was like, ooh, that's a tiny dress. So you can see like my waist compared to her waist, and I don't know if these are gonna be compatible, but we're gonna try it on. Whew. Look at it, it's so pretty. Is it me, or is this like super cute if it fit? Or is that just me and I have no idea what I'm thinking? I actually love the top of this. I think the top is so cute. Hello, gorgeous darlings. This camera angle is not straight at all, but that's fine. Hello, my gorgeous darlings. Look at this dress. This train is absolutely incredible. Like, this is the, what is this, the back? This is the back of this dress. Look at how big this is. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. This dress is so stinking pretty. I am living my best life. How could I forget my hat? So here's the dress with the hat, which is just always a great looking accessory. And this dress 100% does not fit. It is so tiny in the waist. I had such a hard time even getting into the waist, but I still think like this part, I might be going crazy in my mind, but I feel like this part of the dress is just so pretty. And it's probably because puff sleeves are so in style right now. So I am like loving the puff sleeve. I'm kind of loving the illusion. And one of the things that's interesting about vintage dresses is that a lot of times the materials are really itchy. To be fair, modern dresses could also be really itchy. I've never tried on a modern dress, so I actually don't know. They could also have the same material. But I will say like up here, it's not super itchy. It's a little itchy in the arms overall, but I think I could wear this. Obviously, if it like actually fit, it would look gorgeous. But this thing is in such great condition. Like the white of this white is absolutely beautiful and it's gorgeous. Oh, there's a little bit of yellow here. On the train, the side, some part of the bottom of this dress, which this is one where I don't know if that was something that happened over time or if that happened during the actual wedding, because a lot of wedding dresses I find the bottoms are dirty just because you walk on it. That makes sense. I wonder how tall the lady who owned this originally was. She's definitely taller than me because I cannot see my feet anymore, but oh my gosh, I love her dress. Her dress is beautiful, and I'm so happy that she decided to pass it along, to give it a new life, or at least to provide some enjoyment and awesomeness for me and for you guys and for this channel. So what do you guys think? Do you love this dress as is? Let me know in the comments below if you guys think that I should leave it as is, or if you guys have any ideas for what you would like me to try and make this dress into. You can always send me a DM on Instagram. I will put my Instagram up here. I do respond to you guys when you send me stuff, so let me know. What do you think? Should we leave this beautiful girl as she is, or should we transform her into something else? I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!